As a sparkling diamond among the nations, India stands beautifully in shape and size, on the map of the world attracting all. 4. India, the land of beauty and greatness, naturally stands unique in Asia as it is noted long for its rich culture and ancient civilization in the world. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Assam regions of India, many languages, religions, races, cultures and traditions thrive here. The Aryan and the Dravidian cultures mingled here as the Indian culture. Also, the cultures of each state embellish the greatness of India unique. In arts, philosophy, and religion, nature itself has inspired variously many poets, philosophers, and saints to excel here in their occupations. Great they became simply because they were born in this great land. The natural shape of India is the very image of the goddess Sakti herself in reality. Jammu and Kashmir, paradise on earth, beautify the face of Mother India unique. Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, and Haryana form a necklace to her neck fine. The desert of Rajasthan and the plains of Ganga beautify her body frame as garb. The central plateau of Vindhyan mountains cover her chest and stomach firm. The Deccan plateau and the Carnatic plains beautify her thighs and calves strong, with her feet gently immersed in the three seas, Bengal, Indian, and Arabian firm. The peaks of the snow-capped Himalayas are the abode of Lord Shiva forever. The confluence of the Indian Ocean and the sky forms the abode of Lord Vishnu eternally. Shiva and Vishnu of North and South India protect the Sakti to do her duties to the world. The sun comes every day to glorify her power. The moon comes every night to glorify her beauty. The clouds praise her valor in the daytime. The stars glorify her beauty in the night time. And the waves of the Indian seas praise her eternally.